Okay, let us continue our class on determinants. See, I have considered another example here, important example. See, if A is equal to, so matrix is given, square matrix 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Okay, then show that, see, determinant of 3A, see what we have to prove here is, determinant of 3A is equal to 27 times determinant of A. This we have to work out. So determinant of 3A on the left hand side, 27 is a scalar into determinant of A. See, first we have to find the value of determinant. So 3 cross 3 determinant. So we know how to expand the value here. So determinant of A, then determinant of 3A. So then let us verify LHS and RHS. Okay. So A is a matrix. So to every square matrix we can associate a determinant. So how we can start our solution? So determinant A is equal to, so I can write the determinant here. See 1 0 1 0 1 2, so 0 0 4. Okay, this is the given determinant. Then if I expand along first row, then as usual I can write the signs here. So plus minus plus, we know this, plus minus plus. Okay, so then let us start expanding this. Plus 1 into, see here we used to write the determinant second 2 cross 2 determinants. Okay, I will write it directly here. See 1 into, so you have to practice it by solving more and more problems here. See 1 means you leave this column and this row. Okay, I will get this determinant 1 2 0 4. So I will write directly here. So 1 2 0 4 means what? 1 into 4, that is 4, minus 2 into 0 0. See here. So I am writing it directly here. 1 into 4 4, minus 2 into 0 0. I will move to next element. See here I cannot worry about this because minus 0 into anything will be 0. Okay, so I will not bother about writing this element because 0 into anything is 0. So that we can leave it and go for this element. So otherwise I can show it here, minus 0 into, see here 0 into. So you leave this column and this row. So 0 to 0 4, they are left here. 0 into 4 0, minus 2 into 0, that will be also the 0. Then we go for last element, see plus 1 into, see this column and this row, you can delete that. So 0 1 0 0, see 0 into 0 0, minus 1 into 0 0, so 0 minus 0. So then I can write this 1 into 4 minus 0, that will be what? 4. So see, this will be 0 and 0 minus 0 0, 1 into 0, that will also be 0. So these two will be 0 here. So 1 into 4, the value is 4. So determinant of A, value of determinant of A is 4. So I got value of determinant of A is 4. So here see on the RHS we have, see on the RHS we have 27 times the value of the determinant. That means what? 27 into value of the determinant is what? 4. So 27 into 4, we have to write the product here. See 108. So this is the answer for RHS. See 27 into value of the determinant is 4. So if you multiply this I get 108. So RHS is 108. So this one is over. So we can find out this determinant of 3A. So can we find out that? So I will write here. See determinant of 3A. So determinant of 3A means we have to find out 3A. See 3 is a scalar. So we can multiply every element of the matrix by 3A. So 3 into 1, that is 3. Then 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 2 is 6, 0 0, 3 into 0 3 into 0. Both the elements will be 0, 3 4 are this will be 12. Then I want the determinant here. So corresponding determinant for this matrix is, determinant of 3A is, so I will write the determinant 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0, okay, 0 0 12. So once again I will consider the first row. See here first row. So I will expand here, plus 3, see 3, so you leave this column and this row. So this will be left over here, 12 into 3, that is 36 minus 6 into 0, 0. Okay, see here 0, minus 0 into anything will be 0. See here, I told here 0 into anything, so if 0 comes in the first row, then you need not worry about that. So we can leave that element here, 0 into anything 0. So I will consider this element, plus 3 into, see leave this column and this row. See 0 into 0 0, minus 3 into 0, it will also be 0. So then, so this is 3 into 36, plus it will be 0 minus 0 0, 0 into 3 it will be 0. So 3 into 36 I can multiply here, it will be 108. So this is our LHS. See, you compare the RHS, it is 108, and LHS is also 108. Therefore, RHS is equal to LHS. See, determinant of 3a is equal to 27 times determinant of a. See, observe carefully here. So we have worked out the solution here. So solution is over. LHS is equal to RHS. See here, one important point to be observed here is, see, it is A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. See, it is 3 rows and 3 columns. See, if A is a square matrix, it is order is 3 cross 3. So then, see what we have proved here, determinant of 3a is equal to, so answer is what, 27 into determinant of a. So how we got this 27? See here, scalar is 3. See, I will write the scalar 3, then order of the matrix is what, 3, so that is 3 cube. Okay, 3 cube into determinant of a. That means 3 cube is nothing but 27 into determinant of a. That's what we have got here. See, scalar to the power of order. Okay, so here if this was asked here, determinant of 2a, then what will be my answer here? See, scalar is 2, so determinant of order 3, then determinant of a, so you will get what, 8 into determinant of a. So this is a general property concerned to this problem here. So we have worked out the solution here, so you can practice this. Okay, so let us consider another problem here. See, another example. If A is equal to 1, 2, see here, matrix is given 1, 2, 4, 2, then find determinant of 2a is equal to 4 times determinant of a. See here, just I have explained the property. See, it is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. So then the scalar is 2. So what will be my coefficient? So see here, scalar is 2, order is 2. So 2 square means what? That is 4. So that's what the number is given, 4. So okay, let us verify this one. So determinant of A is, so determinant of, see, 1, 2, 4, 2. So it is very simple here. 2 cross 2 determinant, no need to write the sign here. 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 into 4, 8. So 2 minus 8, that will be what? Minus 6. This is the determinant of A. So 4 times determinant of A. Therefore 4 times determinant of A means I have to multiply this by 4. 4 into minus 6. That will be what? Minus 24. So it is, see, this is RHS. Okay, let us consider this. See here 2a, we have to calculate 2a. So therefore 2a is equal to what? See, I will directly multiply this. See, a is equal to this one. 2 will multiply this matrix by the scalar 2. So 2 ones are 2. See, 2 twos are 4, then 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. This is 2a. So consider the determinant corresponding to this matrix. So that is 2, 4, 8 for determinant. See, 2 into 4, 8 minus 8 into 4, that is 32. So 8 minus 32. So that will be 8 minus 32 means what? Minus 24. See, this is determinant of 2a. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. See, minus 24. And this is also minus 24. So we have proved this point. Okay. So from this example and previous example, so what will be the conclusion here? See here, what is the conclusion here? If K is a scalar and A is a square matrix of say of order n, so rows and columns will be equal, then determinant of K into A, see here, determinant of K into K is a scalar. So what I got here, the coefficient of the determinant is 4. In the previous example it was 27. So here K is a, see here, K is a scalar and order is n. So that is K to the power n into determinant of A. See, this is the general property. See, you have to note down this. This is very, very important property here. That's what I worked out in the previous two examples. K to the power n, determinant of A. See here, K is here K is what? 4. In this example, K is 2 and order is, see, 2 cross 2. So then what will be the coefficient here? K to the power n. K to the power of n means 2 square. 2 square means what? 4. So in the previous example, scalar is 3 and order also 3. Then K to the power of n means 3 cube. So 3 cube means there I got 27 into determinant of A. So in this case I get 4 into determinant of A. The general property is determinant of whether K may be any scalar, determinant of K is equal to K to the power of n into determinant of A. Okay. So at the end, after work out these two problems, you note down this important point. If K is a scalar and A is a square matrix of order n, then determinant of K is equal to, so you raise to the power n, K to the power n into determinant of A. Okay. So let us continue some more problems in the next class.